Hi, this is well done, and I have your file in front of me. The only thing I want you to be aware of is when you use Gaussian blur, look over here how the Gaussian blur has kind of bled out beyond the shape. I'll show you how to fix it really fast using this overall mirror path that you have here. First, I'm going to hit the V key, and I'm going to right-hand click over the little fuzzy area here, and it'll should take me right to that layer. And then if I go to that layer, you can see here how there is two areas we need to fix. See how I'm taking it away here? Plus, if I go right there, it'll also take it away from here. Okay, there's another one right here. So we have to do the same thing on all three of those layers. So it's not a big deal, and you have layer masks for all three of those layers. So first, let me turn these two back on, and then we'll do the same thing. Okay, so first we're going to do this. So all we have to do is make a command click of the overall mirror, okay, inverse it, which is Command Shift I or Control Shift I, hit the B key and paint black, so I have to hit the X key. I'm painting at 10%, so I'll make it a little bit more. And if I add to your layer mask, here, I'll take it off again. If I add it to this layer mask right here, then it will clean up that edge. So there's the first cleanup. So I'm painting on the outside of an inversed selection. Now let me turn that off, and let's go down to your other ones. So it was, I should have just marked off what it was, but easily done. I have to, if I hit the V key, it's going to want me to cut that. So I'm going to deselect, and I'm going to kind of color the ones that I have to take off. So it's this one right here. So I'll color that one just for a temporary thing. I'll color it red, turn it off, and then it's going to be upper gray highlight, which is this one down here. So I'll color that one red. Now I'll redo it. Okay, so I have my two layers I need to fix. I'll make a selection of the mirror again. I'll inverse it, Command Shift I. I'll hit the B key, and I'll fix this on the edge. So first I click up to the layer mask for the first layer, and I turn it on, and I paint it out, which I just did. Now I'll take the layer mask for the second one. Whoops. It would be nice if I clicked over to the, that's a normal thing that happens sometimes. So I have to Command Z back, obviously. I have to Command Z back twice because I let go of the mouse and painted twice. So I'll click over to the mask, and now look at how I've cleaned up all the outer edge. And that happens all the time when you use Gaussian blur. You have to kind of keep your eye out for the stuff that bleeds out beyond the image. So beautiful job, well controlled, well painted. I just showed you how to clean it up. You don't need to resubmit. That's like, constantly be aware that Photoshop needs some final edits to make it visually balanced and correct. Okay, thanks.